go, pups. Come on, quick, go. Come on, quick.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
I have one of the most dramatic dogs, not this one. Nika, let's go. Come on, let's go. Nika, let's go. Come on. Oh wait, what's this? How much is this?
이게 qual você vai querer? Os dois.
Go around and around and around and around. There we go. You good now?
What you doing, bruh? What you doing? Come on.
And look at this little businessman!
Oh, Vinny. Oh.
Look.
Don't be fucking rude. Are you kidding me? I swear to God, don't be fucking rude.
You know what you did, Shane? Oh! Sharkeisha! Oh my God! Sharkeisha!
Hey.
He's like, this is my pillow. Get off of it. Get off my pillow.
Plastic guns. First one I've ever seen. All of the technology on it. It looks like to airport security. 3 airports. He's downloaded his flight information. He first shows up.
Huh?
You want the cheese stick? You're scary. You're very scary looking. Hold on, hold on. Here, take that piece.
Thank you. Oh,
Get it.
I know why it's from the panda.
Get it, Sam. Good job, buddy.
Did you fall?
This is what we call happiness. You could only dream of being this happy. You could only dream of knowing this much.
Oh, shoot. Sorry, girl.
You comfy, hon? How's that belly?
Excuse me, I need to return my dog. This one's broken. It just plopped down and stopped moving.
Alfred? Er det gøy?
Or week right after I get back, but 9-1, and I can't remember how much. It was like 120, 180. Well, it wasn't too bad, really.
Are you excited to catch some criminals?
Don't let it hit the ground.
Don't let it hit it. Get it, Apollo.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yo re orgullosa, porque a mí me llaman del club para decirme que lo necesitan, que no esto, que el otro, que representan.
Yeah, there you go. There you go, Henke's.
Our helper. Oh my god.
And then as the calendar turned, how about that? 3 wins in 6 starts. So he does have tremendous confidence, but he is also based on his brand on the river we're talking about.
Buddy, you gotta go. Let's go.
All right.
That worked. Yep. He doesn't want a ticket. Wow, that's totally
Come on.
I ain't never in my life seen a donkey and a dog be best friends.
Disculpe, su majestad, ¿está bien ahí? ¿Está fresco? ¿Está a gusto? ¿Está cómodo? ¿Le hace falta algo o estamos bien?
Really? Is that what you're gonna do? Yeah, that's a bad plan, isn't it? Yep, moving on.
It looks like a meme.
God.
Boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.
Businessman! Then to pass out. And my head hit the wall. Boom.
I get it.
You ready?
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, man. Get your goddamn ugly ass.
Cabrón. No es cierto, mijo, vente. Ven.
Fun out in the snow? Oh no!
This isn't Charlotte. No wonder I don't feel as clean.
Here's Charlotte Ultra Strong. But it's done.
Cumpla feliz.
Do you want to take a bath?
Wait.
What you doing out here with all this ass? Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon, hella ass. What the hell?
Hey. Ya me voy pillando.
It's gonna get you, Malo. Malo!
Chencho, ya me voy, güey. Ya me voy a chambear, güey. Si alguien se mete, güey, le parte su madre bien macizo, güey.
Come on then, you can do it. Come on, Scamp, you can do it. Look, you can do it. You did it a minute ago. Use your paw. Yeah, clever boy.
Haji Gule.
Oh my god, I want to take him home. We can put him in the truck.
We can put him in the truck.
We can put him in the truck. Look at him.
Ew.
Come on, what's the word? Rescue of a sausage.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait.